Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a landing page on System. EO. First, log into your System EO account. Then, navigate to the Funnels tab on the left-hand menu. Click the Create button and give your funnel a clear, descriptive name. Make sure to select the Build an Audience goal for your landing page. Finally, choose one of the many free templates available to give your page a professional starting point. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Now, let's customize your landing page design. System. EO offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can easily add or rearrange elements such as headlines, paragraphs, images, and even video blocks. Take time to adjust the colors, fonts, and overall spacing to align perfectly with your brand's aesthetic. Remember to check the mobile view to ensure your page looks fantastic on smaller screens, providing a seamless experience for every visitor. Next, it's time to add your essential content. Craft engaging headlines that grab attention and clear body copy that explains your offer's benefits. The most crucial element for a landing page is often an opt-in form. Drag a form element onto your page and customize its fields. Typically, collecting just an email address, or perhaps a name and email, yields higher conversion rates. Keep it simple and focused on your primary goal. Finally, let's get your landing page live and ready for visitors. First, configure your page's URL and fill in the SEO settings, including a meta title and description, to help with search engine visibility. Once you are satisfied with everything, save your changes and hit the Publish button. Before sharing your page widely, perform thorough testing across various browsers and devices to ensure everything functions perfectly. This ensures a smooth experience for all your potential leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.